Hello everyone out there in the Full Spectrum family. Welcome back to this week's episode of Full Spectrum in Focus. I'm Jonathan and this is my colleague, Mr. Michael Fowler. Hello Michael, how are you?
Good, thanks Jono. G'day everyone. Can you guys believe it? There's only 14 days left on our main program, so we're finishing up on December 17th. Very exciting. Of course, I'll see some of you during that 4-week break, some of my students. And we do have some holiday workshops that are custom tailored. Jono, why don't you tell us about that?
Yeah, as you said, Michael, thank you. We do continue through the holidays. So officially our program finishes on December the 17th and resumes again the week of January the 17th. So that 4-week block in the middle there, everyone that wants a break, well-deserved break, please enjoy yourself. We'll touch base in January to kick off again come the week of January the 17th. That's 1 week before school starts, because we do indeed want all of our students to have a quality lesson before they re-enter the classroom, just to ensure that momentum is built and confidence is built. In that 4-week period though, our holiday lessons do continue. So if you're interested in lessons over that period, please communicate with your teacher. They'll be reaching out to you to find out exactly what you want to do. And we are providing customized, individualized lessons and learning outcomes for your child tailored to their needs.
And we just wanted to give a big shout out as well to two of our teachers that have been doing some great work over this past year, Howard Conway and Ursula Brown. So congrats to you guys. Thanks for your hard work.
Well done, well-deserved shout out. If you are very, very happy with your teacher, and we hope that you all are, then please feel free to jump on our website and leave a glowing review. It's always nice to see. All right, wrapping up for this week's episode. We'll see you next week.
Bye everyone.